Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. And we know that s to the power of 3 that is about s squared and s. So in this situation, I will put number 1 go to the left. So we have u squared minus 1 equal to s squared. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 2u du equals to 2s ds. So we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. S squared we change by u squared minus 1. S ds we change by u du. So u divided by u, so we just have only u squared minus 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of u squared, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. Number 1 that's about u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.